My experience with the bites block with the 20 visits.
He has written a feedback
Yes, about
regarding our treatments, who has treated, and what doctor has done,
myself
and what treatments have been done,
yes.
and everything he has enclosed in a file. Big file, sir. Thanks a lot.
Yes. Now
I will take
myself
some
and
time
wife
and,
is completely freed, and now both sides of the for that we are taking the full for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
I never forget it throughout my life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Take my own time and read properly, and
Yes. I will give it
this is one of the best feedbacks I have ever got. Like the first babies.
Yeah, that's true. But
That is the truth. Truth only. Now, sir, I am confident. Probably I am saying both of myself, my wife and myself, chewing the foods in both sides actually. All the credit goes to Bites Block.
Thank you.
All the credit goes to Bites Block. I never forget, sir. I never forget it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.